Hi kids, welcome to BLV channel. Today let's see the lesson Determiners in Grammar. Now let's see its definition and its types. A word that determines or limits a noun or a noun phrase is a determiner. It always comes before a noun. It divided into two broad categories. They are specific and general. Specific determiners are used in noun phrases to talk about specific people or things or to indicate a definite thing or person. Example, the, this and etc. We cannot use more than one specific determiner before a noun. General determiners. General determiners are used to talk about people or things in a general or an indefinite way. Example, a, an, most, few, either, neither, no, an, all and etc. Determiners include the following. They are articles a, an and the. Possessive adjective. Possessive adjective is used to show the relationship. My, our, your, is, and their. Demonstrators. Demonstrators is used to show the places in noun. This, that, these and those. Distributive. Each, every, either and neither. Quantifiers. Quantifiers is used to show the quantity of the noun. A few, a little, much, one, etc. Interrogative. Interrogative is questions like WH words, what, whose, which, how and etc. Now let's see the topic articles in determiners briefly. As we know, a and an are indefinite articles and the is the definite article. Of the three, a and an are the commonest general determiners, whereas the is the commonest specific determiner. A and an are used with singular countable nouns while referring to a general class of nouns like a frog, a ship, a biscuit and etc. We do not use a or an before uncountable nouns like rice, water, smoke, etc. A is used before words that begin with a consonant sound and an is used before words that begin with a vowel sound. For example, see, let's take a word an hire. Hire, H, the starting letter is a consonant, but it sounds like A. So, it should be written as an hire. For example, an umbrella, a uniform, a unicorn, and a May student. Now, let's see the omission of articles. We should omit articles before uncountable nouns, names of the people, names of the cities, names of the languages, names of schools and colleges, names of months and days, names of relation like father, mother and etc., names of the meals, names of diseases. Let's see some sentences. We will be traveling by the train. So in this sentence, the article the is omitted. We will be traveling by train. They speak the English at home. Article the is omitted. They speak English at home. We go to a or the college every day. The article a or they is omitted here. Mother is cooking the lunch. So the article the is omitted. Mother is cooking lunch. Thank you kids. So in the next class, let's see about possessive adjectives, demonstratives, distributives, quantifiers and interrogators briefly. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, like and to click on the bell icon.